guys, my name is Tanay Singh Thakur and today we're going to talk about BSNL 4G and whether India needs it right now, even maybe 2 years down the line or not. So BSNL has been facing a lot of problems in rolling out 4G networks pan-India. The telco might have had live 4G networks in several cities of India by now if its initial tender wasn't interfered with. It doesn't have the money nor the resources to roll out 4G networks right away. However, there's one thing that needs to be answered. Does India still need BSNL's 4G? The answer depends on multiple factors. If the telco's 4G networks can be rolled out in time across the country and they can provide solid coverage and downloading and uploading speeds to the users, it can be a serious money maker for the company. If BSNL 4G networks would have been live already, it would have helped with a better 4G experience for the Indians overall, since they wouldn't need to primarily depend on Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel's 4G network for data and voice calling needs. The most important thing to figure out here is, if BSNL is able to roll out 4G networks in India by early 2023, would it be profitable for the country or not? The answer would totally depend on the kind of reach the 5G networks would have had by then, the cost of the 5G plans, and for the demand and the existing 4G use cases at that point in time would tell if BSNL might make money from 4G or not. BSNL is known for providing very economical prepaid plans. With a good 4G network coverage throughout India, the telco can attract multiple new users and can also retain its old customers. Once 4G comes, BSNL can even start planning for the 5G rollout, but it would require that its 4G is successful in the first place. At this point, the more delays that are caused in the rollout of BSNL's 4G, the more it is going to hurt the chances of the telco's 4G network seeing success, and further it might result in the downfall of the company overall. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click on that like button. If you haven't subscribed to us yet, please click on that subscribe button followed by that bell icon so that you never miss out on our future videos. And if you have got anything to share with us, please drop them in the comment section below. See you.